Okay, so the next part of this book is called Beyond Neptune. So we're looking past Neptune, further and further away. And this is on page 48, the 4 and then the 8, 48. There are objects beyond Neptune that also go around the Sun. 4 of them are dwarf planets. They are named Pluto, Haumea, Makemake, and Eris. There are also many things smaller than dwarf planets beyond Neptune. They are hard to find because they are so far away. But astronomers are looking and finding more things. Astronomers are people who study everything outside of Earth, like planets and stars. Pluto is smaller than Earth's moon. It's a really small planet. Pluto is a dwarf planet that is usually farther from the Sun than Neptune. It is reddish. It is also very cold and covered in ice. It has a little atmosphere, in other words. It has a little gas surrounding it. Pluto has 5 moons. Charon is the largest. Charon is about half as wide as Pluto. Pluto is named after a Roman god. The name was suggested by an 11-year-old girl. Pluto used to be called a planet, but then astronomers found other objects the same size as Pluto, so they made up a new name, dwarf planet. Pluto and Eris are the largest known dwarf planets. Now Pluto has got 5 moons. Haumea, Makemake, and Eris. The dwarf planets Haumea, Makemake, and Eris are all far beyond Neptune, and even Pluto. They are very far from the Sun, so they are extremely cold and covered in ice. They all have moons. Haumea is weird. It spins very fast and is shaped kind of like a football. So it goes really fast round and round and round. Haumea is the only dwarf planet that we know has a ring. So here's Haumea, and it's got its ring around the outside. Makemake is smaller than Eris and Haumea. It is reddish like Pluto. Eris is just a little smaller than Pluto, but Eris weighs more, so it's heavier. So Eris probably has more rock and less ice than Pluto. Scientists expect to discover more dwarf planets by using big telescopes. Planets and you. This book is only the beginning. You can learn much more about planets and other exciting things in space. What would you like to learn more about? Scientists also have a lot more to learn. Using spacecraft and big telescopes, scientists are studying the planets and learning more every day. Would you like to study planets when you grow up? Keep learning and having fun with planets. So that's the book finished. The only last bit is here, and this is a glossary, okay? The glossary is the part of the book that has words and it explains what those words mean, okay? Now, I hope you enjoyed learning about planets, and like the book says, it's always good to keep learning. Even the scientists are keeping learning. So go and see what you can find out about the planet.